Welcome, friends. Have you ever seen an owl? Owls are hard to see and even harder to find. But today, we have an owl visiting our backyard. Can you see it up there?
This is a barred owl, not barn owl. That is a different kind of owl. Barred owls live in the woods near us and in wooden places all across Canada. See the streaks or bars on its feathers? This is why it is called a barred owl. These markings are also what makes it so camouflaged. They are a medium-sized owl, not really big and not really small, about 1/2 of a meter high. But how much do you think they weigh? They weigh less than 1 kilogram. That's right, about 750 grams. That is because they have a lot of feathers, but also because their bones are hollow, like almost all birds. That is so that they are light enough to fly. Barred owls are excellent flyers. Their wings are over a meter across. That could be taller than you. They even have extra soft feathers on their wings, so they won't make any noise when they sneak up on animals they eat, such as mice. Barred owls eat many kinds of animals, including small birds, snakes, frogs, and even fish. But one of their favorite foods is mice, especially in the wintertime.
That is why this owl is visiting us right now, to catch the mice that eat the seeds under our bird feeders.
To catch a mouse, an owl uses its excellent senses of hearing and sight. Do you see how large its eyes are? They are so big that they can't move them like we can. So, it moves its head instead. It can move its head almost all the way around to look behind its back. But it can't move its head completely around, as you might have heard. That actually wouldn't work. It needs huge eyes so it can see at night. Owl's eyes have lots of special cells called rods, and these help it see even when there isn't much light. We have rods in our eyes too, but not as many as an owl.
Amazing sight helps it catch its food at night, and its fantastic hearing also helps. An owl has 2 ears, just like us, one on each side of its head, but they are hidden under its feathers. Look for them as it turns its head. See how one is located slightly lower on its head than the other? That seems strange, but its ears are like that to help it hear a mouse squeaking in the leaves or snow almost 1 kilometer away. Can you do that? Probably not. Notice how its face is shaped to direct sound to its ears. This helps it find mice in the dark.
Once it has caught a mouse, it swallows it whole. That's because owls, like all birds, don't have any teeth. That's right. They can't chew their food in their mouth like we do. Instead, they have a special organ located just above their tummy called a gizzard. Their food is chewed there, and then it moves down into their tummy.
But all the things that aren't good to eat, like the fur and the bones, are spit out by the owl in the form of a pellet. We found this underneath where the owl was perched, sleeping away the day.
Sometimes owls can't sleep during the day because other birds like to bug it if it is near where they live. Chickadees, jays, and woodpeckers all make lots of noise to let all the birds in the neighborhood know an owl is there. Do you hear them? They hope all the noise will make it give up hunting here and fly away. Usually the owl ignores them and the other birds eventually stop. Then the owls go back to sleep until it can go out hunting again tonight.
We were so excited to have a barred owl visiting our backyard in the middle of the day. Most owls are active at night, which is why they're so hard to see. But sometimes you can hear them. A barred owl makes a sound like this. Doesn't that sound like who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all? So, next time you hear an owl at night, you could answer it. And if you can't make that sound, you can use a hooter like this. And this is what it sounds like. And you might very well have a barred owl come and visit your very own backyard.